What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to solve logarithmic equations. First example, I'm gonna start from simple examples. Log x base 2 plus log 3 base 2 equals to 3. I'm gonna use the product law, and I can say log a base b plus log c base b is going to be equal to log ac base b. Therefore, that's going to be, on the left hand side, is going to be log 3x base 2 equals to 3. Then I can say, when you have log a base b equals to x, I can say b to the power of x equals to a, which means that 2 to the power of 3 equals to 3x. So 3x equals to 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, so x will be 8 over 3. Next example. Log 3 plus log x equals to 1. So in the same method, I can write it as log 3x equals to 1. Therefore, 10 to the power of 1 equals to 3x. And I can say x equals to 10 over 3, or 3 1/3. Next one is log 2x base 5 plus 1 over 2 log 9 base 5 equals to 2. So, in this case I can say log 2x base 5 plus log 9 to the power of 1 over 2 equals to 2. Because whenever we have the coefficient, we can write it as the exponent. Square root of 9 is 3. Because 9 to the power of 1/2 is the same as square root of 9. So it's going to be 2x5 plus log 3 equals to 2. Then I can use the product law. So 2x times 3, so 3 times 2x base 5 equals to 2, which means that log 6x base 5 equals to 2. Therefore, 6x equals to 5 squared. Then x is going to be 25 over 6. Next example. Log x over base 4 subtract log 2 base 4 equals to 2. We have log x over 2, that's the quotient law because we have subtraction. You need to always be sure that we have the same base, equals to 2. So x over 2 equals to 4 squared, or 16. So x will be 2 times 16, or 32. Next one. 3 log x subtract log 3 equals to 2 log 3. That's going to be log x cubed subtract log 3 equals to log 3 squared. We can say log x cubed over 3 will be equal to log 3 squared, or log 9. Therefore, x cubed over 3 equals to 9, and then x cubed equals to 27. Therefore, x is 3. Next one. Log 4x base 3 plus log 5 base 3 subtract log 2 base 3 equals to 4. So that's the combination of product and quotient law. So we have 2 there. equals to 4, which means that log 20x divided by 2 is going to be 10x equals to 4. So 10 to the power 4 equals to 10x. Therefore, x will be 10 to the power 4 divided by 10, and that's going to be equal to 1000. Next example is log 5x equals to log 2x plus 6. We can say that the bases are the same, they are equal, so 5x has to be equal to 2x plus 6. Therefore, 5x minus 2x equals to 6. So 3x equals to 6, and x is going to be equal to 2. Next example. Log x subtract 1 equals to 2. We can say that x subtract 1 equals to 10 squared. 10 squared is 100. So x will be 101. Next example, log x subtract 1 base 3 equals to 2. We can say x subtract 1 equals to 3 squared equals to 9. Therefore, x will be 10. Next example, log x base 3 subtract 1 equals to 2. We can say log x base 3 equals to 2 plus 1, which is 3, and x will be 3 to the power of 3, which is 27. Therefore, x is 27. Log x subtract log 3 equals to 1. We can use the quotient law and say log x over 3 equals to 1, which means that x over 3 equals to 10 to the power of 1 over 10. Therefore, x will be 3 times 10, and that's going to be equal to 30. Another example, log x base 2 subtract log 3 base 2 equals to 1. We can say log x over 3 base 2 equals to 1. Therefore, x over 3 is 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. So x will be 2 times 3, which is going to be equal to 6. Log x base 5 plus log 2 base 5 equals to 1. We can say log 2x base 5 equals to 1. Therefore, 2x equals to 5 to the power 1, which is 5. Therefore, x is 5 over 2, or 2.5. Next example, log x plus log 7 equals to log 35. We can say that's going to be equal to log 7x equals to log 35. Since the bases are the same, we can say 7x equals to 35. So x will be equal to 5. Log x subtract log 2 equals to log 18. We can say log x over 2 equals to log 18. Therefore, x over 2 is 18. So x equals to 36. Next one. Log 2 base 8 plus log 4x squared base 8 equals to 1. We can use the product rule. 2 times 4x squared is going to be 8x squared base 8 equals to 1. So we can say 8x squared equals to 8. Therefore, x squared is 1. So x can be 1 or negative 1, but negative 1 is not acceptable. I'm going to write negative 1 is not acceptable as is, but when we sub it here, it's going to be still positive, so we can accept both of them. So both positive and negative 1 is going to be acceptable. So I'm going to scratch this one because we have squared here. It's going to give you a positive number at the end anyways. So these are the examples I had for solving logarithmic equations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding logarithms and other topics in math, physics, and chemistry. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment and I get back to you as soon as possible. And I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.